We design, fabricate, transport, and erect prefabricated exterior wall panels. The difference is in the engineering. We leave no stone unturned when we engineer a job. Every detail is worked out. We build in a controlled environment. We're doing it all on the floor level. Safety's tremendous in the shop. You know, we're not up in the air, we're not on scaffold, we're not fighting other trades, debris on a job site. So it's a very efficient means of fabricating a product. And every step we do, whether we sheathe the product, we foam it, we rasp it, mesh it, finish it, there are eyes checking at every step.
We shorten the duration of the installation of the building envelope on a project by about 80%. So what we'll do in 68 days at the Hub Plus would have taken anywhere between 8 and 10 months of field installed work. Stow Panel and the affiliate network within Stow Panel is for people who want to invest time in creativity and design and not in chaos and rework. Stow Panel and our affiliates will ensure success on your project and allow you to achieve your design goals and your project goals for your customers.